Deer whistles are designed to emit a frequency that deers can hear, but humans can't. There hasn't been a lot of scientific study on them, but what there has been has mainly focused on deer hearing capabilities. For example, how sensitive are deer ears to the range of signals that whistles produce? Can deer separate that noise from other noises? And can whistles actually change deer behavior? The results of all this research are inconclusive at best. Even if deer can clearly distinguish between the sound of a whistle from ambient sounds, and even if they react to it as a threat, there is no reason to believe that effect would last. Deer are pretty much like any other wild creature. After a while, they'll start to ignore sounds that initially scared them. So, by all means, use those deer whistles if you have one, but just don't use them thinking that they're going to help you prevent a collision.